Let's make phone strap today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more jewelry making tutorials, tips and ideas. You will need 50 inches of wax thread. I brought this from Amazon, link is in description. Some mixed gemstone chips. Start by threading the beads. You can add pearls, round beads or any acrylic beads of your choice. I used gemstone chips for its vibrant colors. Once you have reached desired length, make a knot close to the stones. Now make another, tight knot at the end of both threads. Make sure it's tight and secure. Cut the excess edges and burn the threads. Insert the loop in the phone case as shown. Thank you for watching.